2 years ago, I was at 287 pounds. Today, I'm at 180. Thanks to Dr. Scott Stowers at My Bariatric Solutions, he's made a difference in my life that is just amazing.
Several different doctors for 15, 20 years had been saying that, if you could lose 70 pounds and keep it off, you would get rid of the high blood pressure. I actually sat down with Dr. Stowers and he was amazing. Somebody who just totally makes you feel comfortable. He answered every question. He was very honest with me and reassuring. It was just beyond belief that he was able to make me feel so comfortable.
We do 3 different surgeries specifically for each individual. The laparoscopic gastric band, the laparoscopic gastric sleeve, and laparoscopic gastric bypass. The reasons that we have so much success here at My Bariatric Solutions is the staff who supports you after the surgery. We have a staff who helps with the different aspects including nutrition, exercise, people who will encourage you along the way and help you with the needs that you may have.
At 1 week post-op, I was literally off of all of my medications. It had already made that big of a difference. I've reached my goal weight. It's been great going from a size 18-20 and an extra large shirt to a size 8-10 and a medium shirt. I never thought I'd see that again, so it's been really exciting.
Since we've lost all of our weight, we've been mountain biking and zip lining,
and snow skiing and whitewater rafting.
and our next great adventure is to go skydiving.
Thanks to Bariatric Solutions,
We've lost a combined 240 pounds.
I'm half the woman I used to be.
I'm Dobie.
And I'm Vicki. And this is our story.
Join the many who have found a new life thanks to My Bariatric Solutions. Go to mybariatricsolutions.com today.